Hello and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to announce that my silver signal last week has indeed went actually in around 55 pips of loss before finally reverses back in profit and hit our take profit level, making over 160 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal and enjoyed those profits. And please, if you did, share with us in the comments your opinion. Let others to know the quality of Xtreme Trader signals. And by the way, my friends, it's important to actually remind you that the edge of the safe zone right here is not a stop loss. A lot of you actually mistaking this with the stop loss. This is not a stop loss. So where is the stop loss? Actually, as long as this signal is ranging inside of the safe zone, we are fine. Even if it touched the edge of it, we are still fine. You can place your stop loss anyway outside of the safe zone. That's why we call it safe zone. It's a safe zone, my friends, meaning we are expecting from the market to be ranging in this area before finally becomes in profit. So therefore, just place your stop loss anywhere here or there, even like 1 pip far away from the or outside the safe zone. It's fine. As long as your stop loss is outside the safe zone, we are good. So anyway, this was indeed a good signal, and I hope you guys have taken it. Anyway, what's next with the silver? Let's first of all delete the old signal, and let's see now what we can do next with this pair. So actually, by checking the weekly chart, right now the market has indeed reached the highest level of a key resistance right there at 32.244. And if we just zoom out like this and just squeeze the chart a little bit like that, actually we are still of course on the weekly chart. So what I will do right now is simply draw here a support trend line like this and show you a channel which we have right here exactly. And check this out. Let me actually make it even like here, exactly, perfect, like that. Just make sure it's accurate and correct. Yes, fantastic. So right now, as we can see, we have here a support trend line that indeed has been respected, and we have also here a resistance trend line became a support trend line and then has been respected as a resistance trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 times, and finally 10 times of course as a resistance trend line. So that means that the silver of course has a chance right now to make a bearish reversal. Now remember, I'm actually on the weekly chart, which means we are trying to predict only the next candle. And as we are saying that, I believe that the next candle, after seeing here a strong pressure from the sellers or the bears to take the market down, the next candle most likely is going to be bearish one, and most likely it will aim this level of a real support at 28.876. Therefore, we are looking to short the silver to another 270 pips. Of course, that's not going to be our take profit level. We're just going to select a reasonable one. So anyway, from my point of view, the next candle should actually be a bearish one. So right now, back to the 4-hour time frame. Now, we have actually several ways to identify the next direction. Number one, of course, is the very clear head and shoulders pattern that we are seeing right now on the 4-hour time frame. Second of all, right here, of course, we have a real level of a resistance trend line, and check this out. So that level of a resistance trend line has indeed been respected all the way right here. And let me just tell you something. The normal behavior of the market is when you have, of course, an upper trend like that, and we have one fake breakout from that level. Usually what happens is that the market will continue the rise and respect the same level of a real resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue the fall, especially if here we have head and shoulders. And that's actually exactly what we are seeing right now. So therefore, from my point of view on the 4-hour time frame, the silver has a chance actually to continue the rise and hit this level of a resistance, and after that it will continue the fall at least to reach the nearest level of a support at 30.545. So let me just now delete this trend line, and let's focus right here on this structure. So let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. So right now we have confirmed that the silver has a chance to actually respect this level of a previous resistance to create a new support, and after that it will actually reverse exactly right here at this level of a resistance, and afterward it will continue the fall. But again, we need more confirmation, and that can be seen of course right here on the 1-hour time frame by seeing this level of a broken support trend line. So even on the 1 hour time frame, we have here a support trend line has indeed been broken out from. So therefore, we will just wait for the silver to continue the rise and reach the exact same level of a previous resistance right here. And of course, retesting the previous level of a support trend line. So that is my way of analyzing the market. Always look at the weekly chart to find the next candle. What is the next candle going to be? Next, look at the daily chart or 4 hour time frame just to find the pattern and make sure it's indeed confirming a bearish reversal or a bullish one, and then go to the 1 hour time frame and identify your entry. Find your entry based on the 1 hour time frame, and that is exactly what we are doing right now. So as you can see right now, I'm going to apply right now the Fibonacci retracement, just like this. And indeed, sure enough, we can actually sell the silver exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, which is matching up along with this previous level of a support trend line. So therefore, we have a confirmation on the support trend line, plus of course the Fibonacci 61.8, and that is going to be the best level to sell the silver. And combining that of course with the fact that we have right here of course a previous level of a key resistance as well. So selling the silver at 31.945, targeting of course as we have said earlier, the nearest level of a key support, which lies exactly right here at 30.668, which means we are actually seeking around 126 pips of profit. And in this scenario, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than Fibonacci 11.9 or no, 11.9, I mean 119. And it's going to be ranging for around 50 pips only. Let me please write this signal for you. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the silver. I really hope it's going to be a profitable one, and hopefully it will go well. And again, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I notice that the price action going against us, I will update you right here to be aware about it. For example, we can actually close this signal in around 30 or 40 pips of loss instead of 50, or I actually might tell you to cancel it, or might tell you to close it in a small profit. You never know. We have to wait for the price action to be confirmed. Now, of course, you can find this group on Telegram. You can just look it up, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply make it easier and check the description below this video to find the link to join directly. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.